Hello, this is Kyle Schu, founder and creator of the Little Village of Locust Gap, Pennsylvania, along with my staff and team. Wishing you in Locust Gap, Pennsylvania 17840, and Central Pennsylvania, Corrigens, other Northumberland County, Mulcahy Township, a very blessed Merry Christmas and blessed 2021. Safety, healthy to you. Christ is born, Satiorto. He's born indeed. Thank you very much. Here's the picture. Here's Christmas, Locust Gap at Christmas time, really. Locust Gap at Christmas time. Here, looking on Railroad Street, where the railroad and train tracks come. The railroad and train tracks. Watch your cars, watch the tracks, and watch your ice and snow. Here we see nice snowmen, village people, and Locust have decorated for in Locust Gap, Pennsylvania. That way it's the Railroad Street still, along down there as well. Mulcahy High School, Township High School used to be there. Come along, join with me. We wish Locust Gap people Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all in this area and to all. Oh, look at this. Now we're going on 2nd Street. We see more Christmas lights. You may lose service soon, so we lose service. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from Little Locust Gap. Ooh, ah. Lights up there. You might not see them lights there. I might cut out up there. We cut off soon, but here's the grand finale. We'll get up there again. But I have to come back down and show you these lights right here on Railroad Street. So this is Railroad Street down here. Railroad Street's down here. The Little Village, the Locust Gap, where I'm CEO and founder, and along with my staff. We welcome you. A blessed and happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Wishing Merry Christmas, we say in Spanish. Ukrainian, so Christ is born, Satiorto. Looking again at the mailman here, the mail people want more. Let's go up here now, guys. Follow me. Thank you, Anna Leary. I hope you're having a good Christmas too, and a blessed Happy New Year's to your family and friends, so everyone out there. And look at Colleen wraps around. Their house wraps around actually. Hope it doesn't cut off on me. Hope it doesn't cut off. Wraps around even to the back here, back of the alley here. Which this alley, I don't think Harry has a name. I could be wrong. I'm not sure, but wraps around an alley here. And then we got these. Look at these. The Snowman alley. The Snowman. Ooh, ah. Pretty, shiny. Pretty, shiny, Annie. We got the Locust Gap houses all decorated. Yes, and I'm having a good New Year's. Having a seafood party down at Locust Gap. At my grandparents, lobster, oysters, everything. Let's look over here for our God-loving people who are holy like me. And to the manger we go where I can't forget what the Bible says. It doesn't cut out on me. His phone doesn't. For unto a child shall be born. He shall be called Emmanuel, the Prince of Peace. And yes, my friends and family, sons and daughters of Jesus Christ, we do have a manger in Locust Gap. Even the church, the cash might close down. It might be a St. Glass studio, and we have no church. We still have the manger.